Identify the equilibrium reaction and species colors. The given dimerization reaction is represented as 2. Number 2 is an equilibrium with N2O for the reactant. Number 2 is a dark brown gas. The product, N2O4, is a colorless gas. Incorporate the thermodynamic nature of the reaction. The reaction is described as an exothermic process. Because an exothermic reaction releases heat, we can treat heat as a product on the right side of the chemical equation. 2. Number 2 is an equilibrium with N2O4 plus heat. Apply Le Chatelier's principle to a temperature decrease. The gas mixture is initially at dynamic equilibrium inside a rigid reaction vessel. When the temperature of the mixture is decreased, heat is removed from the system, which stresses the equilibrium. To relieve this stress and produce more thermal energy, the equilibrium must shift in the exothermic direction, to the right, favoring the products. Determine concentration changes resulting from the shift. Because the system shifts to the right, reactant molecules, number 2, are consumed and product molecules, N2O4, are formed. Consequently, the concentration of dinitrogen tetroxide, N2O4, must increase, while the concentration of nitrogen dioxide, number 2, must decrease. Relate concentration changes to color changes. As the concentration of the dark brown number 2 reactant decreases and the concentration of the colorless N2O4 product increases, the dark brown color will fade. Therefore, the mixture will turn a lighter brown, which makes option B the correct answer. The correct answer is option B. N2O4 will increase and the mixture will turn a lighter brown.